know that every relationship has obstacles and everything. It went as far as me being in an abusive relationship. And being abusive, I mean those things where we would want to stab each other. Uke wabona ukuthi wena la kulo msebenzi you are fitting.
Yeah.
And then awuthatha.
Yeah, ngisho yabona ke mase kuso.
Yeah.
Lo muntu oboloku ubhizi ukukhuluma naye.
Yeah.
Uqhubisele naye.
Ube best yakhe bo?
Yeah, ube best yakhe uqhubisele naye because esikhathini esiningi ngisho thina sirurwa abafazi.
Okay.
Abafazi bayasitshela ukuthi senzeni.
Wena uyamamela mara ngoba uthe yena wena umfazi wara.
Asiyeke sanibonani sesibuyile futhi 013 Golden Circle coming to you live from a Moonlight Lifestyle. Namhlanje ngiphethe uShila. Ngiphethe uShila Mathabo. I'm not going to talk much ngoShila uzozikhulumela. Nabona nandi wesiqale ngakhona namhlanje hayikhona. Izinyo likhanga omunye umhlathi Shila.
Mamela kufike mina namuhla kusizakala ke la.
Ukred.
Yeah, ngiright kakhulu bhuti wami njani?
No man, thank you man. Thank you.
No mara sicala konje igama lakho bani?
Igama lami uKhumza Tso.
Tso, okay ke tla tshwara la Tso.
Tlatsara la Tso.
Yeah.
Abanye bangibiza bathi Stoff Samalahle.
Yini eshisayo?
Yimi ikhanda lami liyashisa.
Oh, okay.
Ikhanda lami liyashisa njengamanje liyashisa.
All right.
Yeah.
Angibonile wena mase uqeda ngabanye maza kimi sewuyagula. No, it's fine.
Ungawari angisho khona ezinye izinto zithi mazenzeka nje uve kwangathi unguSuperman uthwele i-aeroplane.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. I understand. Calculating how my life is and how you are saying it.
Yeah.
I think lami lidume every day. Angiboni ukuthi uqabanga kakhulu kunami.
Lidunyiswa yini lakho?
Hey, I must say, hey, for where I am today, life has been a roller coaster. And you know when life is a roller coaster and you feel like you're alone in everything.
Yeah.
So you can imagine being innovatively a person that thinks a lot. And you need to put this thing on the desk. And from the desk, it needs to come to an action. You understand? So obviously, I am never going to be okay. Like saying, all right. This is my reality.
Yeah.
You get. So hence I'm saying I think elamli duma kakhulu. Kuma nje ngibhekene nemayini ekumele ngiyenzele isipho and paint. And I must say like Scalapi, I need to add more things. I need to be professional. Okay, I've done minings before, but from 100 and something, no 300, like guys, you know. And then at the end of the day, you're trying to see what am I working on because as of Ninini, I was telling my mom that I need a new car, you know, because the one that I was using, it's like Ilifa. I can Ilifa.
Yeah, Bakshiel.
Yeah, Bakshiel.
Bakshiel, yeah.
So I probably now need to start life, more especially because there's a baby.
Bese nazenza. Sala kutshelwa sibona ngani? Ngomopho. Bakutshelile awukhuzeki. Shila, ukhulume ngesipho and paint.
Yes.
Yini lo? Mina you see I'm old school like that. Iminyaka yami mangibiza ngathi yathukana so yabo you get what I mean?
I think when I'm gonna get to sip and paint, let's get where it started.
Yeah,
you understand?
yeah, sure.
So guys, I didn't even do the introduction. My name is Sheila Mathabo Matlaba, all the way from Witbank, but I was born in Limpopo, Groblersdal. Why is it Groblersdal?
Ko kae Groblersdal?
Tafelkop, why is it?
Na ke tseba Penge, yeah.
Penge,
yeah.
Ko ka Penge.
Steelport.
E bolele so gapa ho tshwana le he ke re nna ke tswa Tamati stop ke ka Tamati stop
Penge la Steelport.
Yes.
Le ga mashamtane ka go tseba.
Okay.
Mamone ka go tseba.
Yeah.
Ke tseba di pleke tšentši.
No, so yeah, I was born in Groblersdal, and then when I was in grade 7, I now moved to Witbank. So my mom got a job.
What is grade 7?
We really from one ne?
Standard. Grade 7 no, standard 5.
So grade 7 I think is standard once a high school immediately after primary, you know, that's when I came to Witbank. And then when I got to Witbank, a lot happened. Hey, when I say I'm one person who's everywhere, I think, So it happened that when I got here, I met this boyfriend of mine. ex-boyfriend, by the way. And then meeting him, it happened that, yeah, it was that thing, le ha batswadi ba re, Monyana, please don't this, don't that. I found myself, very dwelling in it so much, you get? And then, with that being said, a child was born. But that relationship started really good, though we know that every relationship has obstacles and everything. It went as far as me being in an abusive relationship. And being abusive, I mean those things where we would want to stab each other, where he would flush me in the toilet, where it goes as far as that, as traumatic
Yeah,
as
what
that.
consider impilo yakho ngathi movie.
Yeah, no, I mean, cabanga ngumfantami ngingokimi ngiziphethe.
Kodwa lo wena
You
no
understand?
jump phaka vele
Mamela bokuyi makita spekan. And you can imagine this is a Zulu man.
Yeah.
And then I'm a Pedi woman. Like
Hayi le
manje
conversation.
le combo inzima because I'm from Limpopo, guys. isiZulu bengasazi. I had to learn Zulu there. You understand?
Yeah.
Makathi wengane ke re eyabuti like ifilimi lena.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So to an extent ya gore whenever my mom would see bruises, I'd be like, no mama, I fell, no mama this, no mama that happened, and
Yeah.
everything like that.
Sure.
But on a later stage, I think we're like in an 8-year relationship where the
8 years?
8 years, because I remember I even failed my grade 9 twice with this relationship. Bengibaleke esikoleni nje mangifuna uqamba amanga.
Ubaleke uyojola.
Like mamela ibhasi mayilapha ngidecide ngithi yabona mina namuhla angiyoqondana nothi.
Ufunda kusiphi isikole?
Bengifunda High.
Oh, yeah?
Literally, I can show you a video of my principal saying, when I go about in Klupa,
Are we talking about the current principal?
Usinga knows me, ngilapha. He's
Yeah.
like, I'm even surprised that you are this clean and this beautiful and still intelligently choosing the light. Bengiqanga mama drugs.
Yeah.
I mean, but I remember his first time coming to Witbank High. I was on the corner after the toy thing. Bengilaba bathi Friday as fucking ama All Star. I understand
Yeah,
a
yeah.
little.
Yeah.
So okay, cool. There was a time when he first came, and when he came, Lobaba Lona, he was like sing a national anthem. Guys, bengin tombazana, I'm sure we see 3 mover when I remember quite correctly. Aksukul happy birthday.
National anthem, you're singing happy birthday, yeah.
That's when I realized akuna light. And my mom was like, no, we need to move you from your school and go to boarding school.
Yeah.
That's how corrupt I was.
Yeah.
When I got to that boarding school, I think that's where I had to choose between life and the reality and what I want to be.
Sure.
There was these 3 things in front of me because when I say life is my daughter,
Yes.
you understand? So when I got there, fine, 2 years. First year, Kitlile February. That February, sharp, first term, we have this 4 terms, right? First term, and then it happened that I didn't pass it, and my mom was like, how? When I bought my pasta, ilapha kuma 30%, like,
Yeah.
But when I got there, I think that's when reality clicked because, guys, it's a closed compound. Mawuphuma la toilet la mawusuka la kusejele like mawuphuma la
Sekuphi leso sikole?
it clean water.
Yeah.
Mawusuka la uya la like everything is here. There's nothing like
Yeah.
there's literally there's nothing. If your mind is closed up like this, you won't finish evening because everything is here. So when I was there, it happened that okay, fine, first year, mid-June, because of how corrupt everybody comes there, they look at your mentality that how good are you with evaluating in terms of whatever the
Yeah.
ground and whatnot.
Yeah.
I became a head girl in grade 11. That's how weird.
Yeah.
Now I have this whole family. This is a family pillar. Grade 7, 8, 9. Like, okay, I'm managing grade 12 as their mother of the school.
Yeah.
Sitting with the principals, HODs, police, whatnot, and whatever. But I'm the head girl.
Yes.
Metric, they take me down to being the beauty head girl. The head girl now was the worst scenario of the school. She would snuggle even drugs, alcohol, this, that. That's a boarding school, by the way. That's,
All girls.
yeah, boys and girls.
Yo.
You understand?
Oh.
And then mid-June again, they are like, So for me to discover this, mind you that when I'm in that school, I'm from an abusive relationship. They're trying to pull me away from that being abusive because I am trying to narrow the abuse with being an overly everywhere. You understand? So from Lapo, okay, fine, when I'm there, now you remember there's a child, there's me, there's my reality. You understand? I'm living through that.
Yeah.
That place is beautiful. Like that, Yabona, if I were to say that school can do something, that place is beautiful. I remember I was sitting, like we were having this shoot. You know, when the school, they're saying they're promoting school kids and whatnot and whatever. And then I was part of it. So they choose, they don't take everybody because that's bafuna laba bahle so that they can promote the school, you know. So most people think I'm a colored, actually, you know. So I got there. So ngazi excluder, mabashuta laba banye, I left. Mind you, from being a head girl now, you are the deputy in matric. I left them and I was like, no, let me just take a stroll nyana and check whatever is going on. Then I went to this Mfula, I don't know Libitang, it's like a lake nyana, you know. And then the sunset is here. I'm there thinking of drawing.
Okay.
You understand? My mind is dark. I don't want to lie to you. I was in a dark space, but living with people, but hating people. You understand?
Yes.
You are just living because you just have to live. You are doing things because you want to finish whatever the parent is saying, do and whatnot. And because you are running from, I was wrong. I was flushed in the toilet. I was this. I now have a baby. She's 2 months and I'm still in school. I don't have money and whatnot. It was like a lot of things in my mind. You understand? All right, cool. And then I went as far as going there. I started drawing. Drawing. The sunset, how it is and whatnot. And I left with the paper back to the room where I was staying. So you'd plug everything that you do there in the name of a memory. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, fine. And
Was
then,
it part and parcel of a school activity or you just...
No, I was in the dark. You know
Okay.
when somebody says they are in the dark, like my mind was on, can I just drown in this water? But the reality of it is,
Yeah.
like yabona if we were maning bengena.
Yeah.
But every chance manyala pamancane, imvula mayina wakhuphuka and what.
Oh, so
like
low.
there's just that.
Yeah.
I was just in the dark that I just wanted
To drown
myself to drown and then come back and then say, let me start over. You understand?
Yeah.
So I drew that and then I went back. Going back, then I finished the school, you know. Then I took that piece. Imagine ngishiye ithombe lapha. Ngishiya amakhalenda, ngishiye yonke lento. But I took the piece and I was like, I think this day was when I left a piece of me there. You understand? Cool. And then I came back. Now, phela mele sifunane ne-varsity. Uke waphasa mara ungafunda. Okay. Uke wabona ukuthi wena la kulo msebenzi you are fitting.
Yeah.
And then awuthathwa.
Yazi halfway ngokubuza why ungathathwa? Were you that notorious now ukuthi
It's not even about being notorious or anything. Because one thing I've seen is that universities don't really call to look for whatever. They just want your marks and then they take you and whatnot.
I bet your marks were okay?
You understand? My marks were good. I was the head girl of the school. So you think I failed?
No, you did not fail, but then report.
Hence I'm saying the marks are good.
Yes.
Ne? But the problem is
You.
receiving me
Why?
for what I wanted to do.
Why? Yini into oboyenza ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi abakufuni?
And guess what? My passion in life, I wanted to be an econometric student.
Kwenzakalani? Kwenze?
Marabuyele esikoleni yabona
No, uyabona khona amanye amagama mawakhuluma siyaqala ukwezwa thina. Uthi economic nestripper.
Econometric is
You
like
see, mina I said economic strip.
yo wabona forgive us if they watch us. Oh my dear God. So being an econometric, it's more like being in those parliament things where you can detect the data of the country, this, that. It's more like I'm dealing with maths, but I need to check whether Ningake South Africa what is happening in South Africa, how do we evaluate these things and whatnot. It is broad as that. You just choose as the streams goes. It's like a doctor and then you get to go to your or your surgery or in. But mina economy strictly so it's economic. But I was gonna choose inside. I wanted anything that has to do with parliament. Ngiyohlala ngimamele ukuthi ni 6 days South Africa bangakhe bangasebenzi. You just take data analysis from those ones and bengivilapha ukuthi ngiyosebenza vele. I understand phela siyodla nabo ukhet maqala phambili.
Yeah.
You know? So yeah, and then I started applying in varsity and then ngangathathwa.
Okay.
I first day ishayeke sengihleli phela ngibukane naloya. Khumula lo ngibeka ngishaya.
Uflasha.
Lo ebengangiflasha.
Uflasha, yeah.
So every day uflasha ngiyambona uyandlula. Life is good. Okay. By the way, uflasha ngenkathi zethu I would look
Vele
for
sekawuflasha.
vele uflasha. My man. So every time masoli chanti I would get him jobs and whatnot and whatever. And bekangangisupporte, but these things uzibona masomdala, you know, because most of the time when I look at it, lo muntu I would buy him t-shirt ngemali yami school fees. Ngitsho nje imali school fees, imali transport, this, that, bengicorrupt shame. I'm not even gonna hide away from it. So, sharp, I come back, no varsity. Sharp, every day, bonana no flash, mama came, baba came, he later passed on, you know. And then, a second year, I was like, you couldn't in South Africa.
The economy strip.
You couldn't.
Economist, yeah.
Yo, marabona from namuhla so ibhala la every time kazi makwenza ishow ngicela ukuthi ayibuke.
Economist,
you know?
economist trick.
So I actually from there then that's when there was a sister bengisonta naye bengisonta ka Bushiri yona ngangijudge.
Angazi judge. Go deeper. We won't judge you. Go deeper.
So bengisonta ka Bushiri. So this lady she went to China to teach. You understand? And then I started asking about it, that how does it work and whatnot and whatever. And then she was like, no, like China, there's actually universities that take people from SA where you can just register and do your teaching and whatnot. But she said it actually, that I suggest that you do the grade R so that when you're in SA, you can manage to teach the older grades like grade 4, 5, those ones.
The way education system yating akhona but you fundisa grade R mawufika ngapha uzohlala lokho
climber because but mawufika ngapha apparently you are umkhulu
ngalo teacher wasevula ingqondo crash
so okay I did it. And then when I was supposed to come this side I was like the money, man. You understand? I didn't think it was enough. You are wakushisha, right? So, and then I did the teaching, and then for me to teach, because I was still in SA, you need a certificate called a TEFL certificate. So I also did the TEFL certificate, and then I started teaching the Chinese kids.
It's
Kokumoya putam, yakushish.
Eiffel Tower certificate or what?
TEFL, TEFL. TEFL certificate.
TEFL.
TEFL.
Yes. All right. TEFL certificate.
Yes, that's a certificate that you use. Like even if, this is what they do. Even if, let's say, you did photography, for instance, but you still need a TEFL certificate for you to now teach in China. You understand? Okay. So I did the TEFL certificate and then Shabu passed and then got my certificate. And then I started teaching the kids. So ninamanilele mina ngiyafundisa. You understand?
Uzenza njani uphethe certificate saseTafel Corps?
You know you putting it this way. Dangerous. Uzale Tafel Corps ufundisa ngo Tafel Corps.
Yeah.
So yeah, I started teaching the kids and whatnot. It didn't help, man. I was still in the darkest place. You understand? And then, so this is how reality unfolded. Every time I'm with my sister, she's at school, she started doing nursing. Things are looking good.
Was it China?
I'm teaching the Chinese. Okay. You understand?
What are you teaching? Which language are you?
I was teaching English for them. Fine. And then a friend of mine, look how dark this world is. You then tell your friend about your what you want to do and whatnot and whatever. And then she takes the idea. She goes to China. And then you are left behind when I go camera, usebenzisa laptop pelele lapho. You understand?
Yeah.
And then fine, cool. I just continued with that, being in the dark. But there was a time when I felt like even this thing, it's frustrating. You know, when you do something for long, though you get the money, but you just feel like it's so frustrating you that you are not okay. You're trying to teach kids. You know? And for me, I love talking. Those kids, and it was good, it's one-on-one. At least we are always good. My friend say 700. You munte 1 and it's 1 hour. Yes, I ain't 700 1 hour. So maute sharp in the 5 hours as good. Ila ma 705. So in Zimali, access be success we have villa house of fundis. You understand?
Ngoba uyazingenile.
Igcina emotion mindset ukuthi sengisebenzela i-3,000 ngibayekile month. You know, then that's how I left it also. Ngathi mang apply ngapha, and then they were telling me about now doing other certificates because it's overqualified and whatnot and whatever. I was like, oh God, this is not me.
So, mawusuke China, u-apply ukusebenza ngapha?
Yes.
But overqualified?
Yes.
Okay.
Because system yase
U-grade R should ufana no-matric ngale.
yes. But here's the thing. Here's the funny thing. When you are from SA, you are needed that side.
Njani?
Kabuhlungu.
There's a cousin of mine who went to teach in China.
Yabona SA nanoma ungathi uyenze i-doctorate ye-swimming. Wayenza i-TEFL certificate. Lapha uyafundisa. Uyangena abanenkinga abayiboni.
Uyenzwa play TEFL certificate ngathi.
Awungawari ngizokubhlaka amasuka.
Yazi please. Na ngiyayidinga TEFL.
So, yeah, sharp. Then I remember it was in 2020. I think ngesikhathi COVID. Yabo.
Mind you, sisahamba sisaya estorini sokuthi what inspired iSip and Paint ne?
Athi ngiyakutshela ukuthi umnyama phela.
Yes.
Ngiyazama like you can't sit down, there's a child here, you know. By the way, the dad angimazi manje uthi kuphi ne? Yeah, so he's not supporting the child. I'm trying to get the sisters, they like aye courses. Akekho umuntu oyisupporta le ndaba yami.
Iflashile nendoda.
Yeah, beyiflasha konke kwasana. I remember even there was actually this words that actually took me very, very, like every time mangicabanga ukuthi yo umntanami, you know. There was a time when we actually had our last conversation when I was leaving. I was like, dude, I'm leaving. I understand ukuthi this relationship now is no more the same as it was before.
Yeah.
But I would love that at least unakekele ingane ikwazi, not financially.
Yeah.
You understand?
As ukuthi
No, like let our kid know ukuthi ubaba
Bo papa kibo ma.
papa shukwe, mama shukwe. And my child actually loves the dad, hey? And every time I would show umntanami nanoma ngekho ngithi nangu papa. Intombazana. And these were his words. Wathi lengane wayenza ngenxa yomona. So sibone.
Whoa.
You understand ukuthi nguphi ke manje?
Hey.
It was a lot.
Ufuna ukunderstand lo mona owenze ngayo lengane kanti ubani initiated the deed?
Okay, let me take you through how the baby was made. Yeah? Guys, sikuphi la? So this what happened on the 3rd of September 2016.
Oh.
Beniya kulezinto okay wena ngikubali wena awuzihambi lezi abupeka ngisho lezi okuvula isama yabo. Yeah, it was that.
Ngivele ngibhaliwe am I that obvious?
Sabathola phela balingana nani lapha? Baqede basithengele ngisho nomoya.
Mawutabanga ngami wade uzama ukuthini ngami?
Ukuthi awukagugu.
Okay. Mara ngilapho. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Sorry. So this is what happened on the 3rd of September. This is the day that my child was actually
conceived.
formed.
Yeah.
You know?
Poiki.
Nina niyakupoiki, and then mina ngisale ngiyafind out. So there was a lady everybody egibo. Lentombazana yoklina endlini.
Okay.
Ne? Kanti no lentombazana iklina. Bane relationship no bafu.
Uyamklina.
Bayaklinana. Yabona le toilet nje trash yonke. You understand?
Yeah.
So kwaba yiloko ukuthi she fell pregnant. Then somebody told me ukuthi umntana lo guy. You understand? I'm very delusional about it. Phela ngiyathanda nami la.
Yes.
I'm like, yeah. 15 November. Nginayi, I remember besise kune crash ngala sihlala khona.
Yeah.
So sihlelo ku danger, yabo. uzuthenge ngisho ngamaswiti like it was
Thengele wena?
Yeah, that angisho ngiyakutshela ukuthi ecaleni relationship emnandi
Yeah.
bokuyi-fantasy enye kakhulu sho ukuthi manje mabuza ngathi bebazi nokuthi iliphi khona
Sure.
esihlala kilo
Yeah.
ayifani sihle lapha kushaya bu-9 makushaya bu-9 kungena i-call umamakhe hey wena ukuphi hayi ngilayitluwa hey izendlini fast kwenzakalani uMaria uyateta yabo yabo yateta wena bayakutshela ngalosi soklinayo
Ngenapho.
Ngenapho.
Yeah.
athi no ilo sisoklinayo mind you nomamakhe nobabakhe they were saying the same thing you understand but so why bakubiza athi no akana transport
Okay.
all right wena sewuyi-transport wena ukwazi ukudrive uyenzani emotweni
Yeah.
you understand
Yes.
phela ukhumbula ukuthi my mind is on some we were actually on some wena bathele ngane yakho so angeke ungitshele ukuthi
Have stock uzwile ukuthi lo mntwana yakhe.
uyayiphika phela ngisho yazi nana amadoda maningafuni ukushiwa yiloku enithi umama wasendlini bese ngifuna ukuyiphika ungakhali ba strong
No, angikhali.
you know so and then it happened that ahambe lobo busuku mayihamba uhamba ngalo 9 ngap11 angifonele hey ngibuyile nani besimane somshiya khona kanti ugela utete ngalabu 8 so they were just trying to get in contact with him to say hey come see the baby
Oh yeah.
so visiting hours iphelile you understand
Come and see your child.
yeah so uzobuya la kusasa like hayi ukuthi beka driver ukuyobona ingane yakhe fine ishapho ingane yazi ukuthi first month second month awuboni next umntwana phela usesendlini you would never even see the child and what not hayi ngeyi3 zaka September ekseni ngiyakuye phela ngiyamtshela ukuthi siya kulezi zabupweke before it was in Ipweke bekuyi NY Ntontoni N4
Angiyazi.
yeah and then ngithi mina no I'm going there I bought the outfit I just need money ukuthi mangilapha ngikwazi ukuthenga lokhu kudla amabheve and what not and whatever I was still wretched that time ne
Yeah.
fine athi kimi no ngizokubona ngabuma 11
Jumpers.
11 ekseni ngimtshela phela ekseni efonini
yeah,
like
yeah.
so now I'll see him around 11
Yeah.
guess what happens 11 o'clock ayi kibo bengena bese ngaza ngisho bese ngingana lapho mangifika how nangu lo mntana
Lo oceda ukuvela.
lo mntana lo sisoklinayo
Yes. Yeah.
maye uphilo sisoklinayo phela sisoklinayo kekho uhambe naloya engizofuna imali bayothengela ingane impahla ngithi mara ngiyahlolelwa la njani into esithini ayina short curve ayina next umntana wakhe lo
Ifamily iphumile.
ifamily iphumile basho umntana nogogo uyayikwishisa
Yeah.
is 3
Yeah.
ngikhatfole ngikhansela nokuhamba ngithi lo yangihlolela lo enhle kwenzakalani
Yeah.
and then babuye angisayi ngiqokile by the way ngiqhinile guys ngenza amazipho ngimuhle ngiyini hayi babuye ngithi hayi marone ngihlolela wena like what's going on umntana wakho in amphike umntana kabani hayi ngibize lo sisi loya ngithi umntana kabani lona athi umntana wakhe hawuthini ngithi ayibo wena uyazi ngama athi angiyazi
Hey
wena uyini kanti hayi bathi la endlini bavele basho ukuthi wena uyazifoster kulo guy hebhani so wena uyaklina mina ngiyazifoster hayi suke lapho vele rimapedi really to understand ukuthi
Le yena ngwanyana wo ke
ya
Mpedi.
ke mopulane o re le ge ke bolela I'm like king ntho iragala moko yabo ayi bamfonela ngathi uphumile mabona ukuthi amabhula ethu yahlangene endlini bathi uzobona abantu bakho
Yeah.
atshele ubhuta akhathe happy baby mama endlini
So ngubhebe mama.
not me
Oh.
baby mama
Okay.
yeah
Yeah.
happy baby mama ngizobuya ngibone lokho usa protector ini ukuthi mina ngingabi kumfintshi snacks yebo hayi ngihambe ngibuyele ekhaya ngabe uma 6 athi buya ngizokubona I didn't like what you did ekhaya awukwazi kulendlini ngithi angilanga ekini I was just speaking to her ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani it's just that lo muntu wakho lona she's on a fighting spirit because it feels like she always wanted to ukuthi mina naye sikhulume you understand hayi mayisuka lapho kube yileyo ke ukuthi angikhiphe endlini that's when the abuse actually started mangikhipha I sihambe siyothenga ama-chips yabona ama-slab chips with a Russian we come with it and then sifike hayi masibuya-ke siye ekamereni lakhe angithi klap ngempama
Yes.
angikakadli
Akudlisa impama.
angidlisele umpama athi mamela la ngarasi ya yabona ungafaka umpama ujikisa akavali nomlomo uthi ungarasi tshela life so ungarasi
Yeah.
and uzothula shuthi I kept quiet wangishaya lo mfana maqeda ukungishaya wathi make up sex
Yes.
angijovi we used to use a condom that day athi hayi
Gijima bones.
you understand yini Saturday phela siye lapho maqeda hayi angilethela ama painkiller maqeda ungilethela ama painkiller abuye
Nesaya kupoiki.
Poiki isikhathi abantu bayajiva lapha
Yeah.
ngiyashawa lana bese
Bakupoyika ikosa wena.
bangipoyika ikosa baphinde bayipoyika
Yeah.
ikosa bayidle yonke
Yeah.
bayiqeda understand
Uyipoiki wena.
yonke into ngiyiyo
Uyipoyiki,
mamela
yeah.
namasalad akhona or nemesh
Nalama sweet corn.
lapho ngiyipoyiki ngicela ukumurwa ini marazi
Angihleki
mantombazane
yazima angihleki.
yo and then okay fine yenzeke ke lapho ekseni ubani ngicabanga morning after pill sinesa ama-bruise phela mele ibuyele ekhaya you understand isikhathi sokucabanga i-morning after besingekho you understand and then he gave me also this mentality ukuthi I'm married to him you understand because from lapho futhi bekanokungimikisa ekibo KZN na so that's how it came about ukuthi ingane bekhona yebo
Cha uyaziyo wena.
uyayibona ke I finally the years later and then being in the dark because nanoma bengipreg bekangishaya you know ingane khona ngiyashawa and then I left and then I came back and then I did the teaching
Sikhuluma ngawe sonke lesikhathi umntana esikole.
yes
Upapa no? Okay.
amaraza ngifihle cabanga ngisaqala ngithe
No.
mina
Ngithathele kudeni ungawazi.
no yazini iba fast you're moving fast
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
and then now we coming back to how this whole thing was formed right and then that is when I left the teaching part and then I now said to myself okay sengibona yabona uthi uclean camera bakutshela ukuthi khipha lempahla zesikolo zonke lezi ezila and then I got the bag yesikhwama like my books zaka-matric
Yeah.
ngifake that paper of a sunset
Oh, yeah.
you understand hayi mangiyikhipha le paper I'm like oh guys if only I could result back into drawing you understand fine and then I left I would go ehlathini now ngiyodweba I'd go ehlathini ngiyodweba
Lo muntu sebumnyameni awusabi nama dangers
no
okuhlathini.
guys ehlathini kunani hawo ngiyehlathini and also itluwa guys ihlathi like mawuphuma ngapha uthi
Itluwa ihlathi yabona le uyibeka ngakhona. Ingendlela uyibeka ngakhona itluwa ihlathi.
so bese yonke into esurround
Isehlathini.
ihlathi bese la
Mayini.
next door imayini
Yeah.
mawujika nalapho umunye umayini and ama-mine ayi-6 wonke asendaweni eyi-1 but abaqashwanga bonke
Indaba
I
sami
didn't
mawushathi
say
itluwa
that.
ihlathi yeah okay.
You know, so I would go ehlathini and draw and draw and draw. And then there was a time, mind you, I told you ukuthi bengisonta kaBushiri ne.
Yes.
Yeah, that's my mother's choice, by the way, guys.
It's yours also. It's fine. Go deeper.
You know.
You went in deeper. It's your church.
Mari yangijaja ke manje. So it happened that besibuya esontweni ne.
Yeah.
I come back to those drawings. And then my mom saw my diary. Ebe ngikhuluma with my fears and everything and my dark points and whatnot.
Yeah.
Bahlala nami phansi and she's like, do you realize that you're not healing? And uzendlulisele emntwaneni because the anger that you have for the dad, it will react now on the baby.
Yeah.
Yabo? Fine. And also I would see certain times like yabona umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi mayiceda ukuteta bayibiza i-postmortem post whatever
Depression.
yeah
Postnatal depression.
leyo ke
Yeah.
lezi yazazi yabo so it happened that yeah shapu my mom thought is that but until she read the diary ukuthi no you didn't heal back then
Yeah.
and then she's like hey mele ubone ukuthi udila nayo njani sengiyeke ne teaching akusana mali phela and then okay fine I took some time, and then ngabona ukuthi ayabheka. Guess what? 20 khat lamagogo. Ngazimikisa mina ku mental what hospital. Yabona ngapha ngase Highfield ngalima what.
Yeah, sure.
Eduze ne WC Mass. Ngazimikisa lapho. It was 14,000 rand. Should ngidli salary yonke umzali that month. Understand? Ngaziswipe, family yangifuna angisho ukuthi nguphi. I was like, it's either me or now my people will see the wrath of what they did.
Yeah.
You understand? Hayi ngazifaka. Shuthi mababuza ukuthi abazali bakuphi ngathi bashonile. Ngiyagula. Dingayi. Yabona manje ngizana yonke narrative ekhona. Umzali shonile ngu-abusive relationship, this that.
Nentandane.
Yabona yini guys ngifakeni bangifaka. And then it took me 3 days. So lapha mental institution.
Sure.
There's different things ebakwenzisa zona. Bakufake ku gym because you tell them ukuthi you don't even like your body. They trying to see ukuthi yini ezokusisa. Bakufake ku gym. There was a time besibaningi sicoca. Awuzingithanda ukucoca ne, but by that time bengithi bangibona umuntu nginyanya man. Nanomqoqa isigaqa sakho ngibona kahle ukuthi hayi boy leyo ngaphuma yini. Lengiyo.
Mina ngibuya ku flash.
Yeah, mamela. Mangicabanga toilet ngivele ngibona ukuthi nekhanda lengena.
Athathi ngokubuza imali toilet sometimes tothi namahuzet beka ku.
No. Yona bokucleana ngisho kunalo siso cleanayo khumbula. So
uye lamahuzet. Okay, Aisha.
So I went there, and then bangenzisa zonke lezi zinto lezi zonke, and lapho bohlala nabantu bahlanya street. Should manje uthi manje it's a private hospital ne. Mara uya realize ukuthi lo mlungu masahlanya so yini inkinga. You understand? Aisha sibe lapho mangiba lapho, and then I met with the sip and paint, but then it was just the painting session.
Okay.
Lapho bakufake room in uyi-1. Mangifika lapha ngidwebe ngiyakhumula
khona lapha.
Futhi yazicabanga bakutshela ukuthi go inside, just write whatever that you feel today. You understand? If you feel like it's a thing in the past, bring it on the canvas. Nobody will talk about it.
Okay.
You understand? It's like a conversation with yourself.
Yes.
Without,
I actually wanted to say that.
Yeah, it's a conversation with yourself without another person having the ability to read your mind.
Sure.
You understand? It's like the flowers maybe a flower or maybe I wish to be the flower, or maybe that flower is dead or in. You understand? That day mang the flower. If flower lambe limnyama. So the canvas was black and white.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Kwathi mangena lo doctor ngikhumbula kahle lo umlungu mangena, she was like, you're good in drawing and painting, but are you the flower that is dead? And I was like, yeah, and I don't need anybody to take me out of it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That was the only session that made sense. Cabanga ubuke spenda usalary usayothethiswa bazi kuphi ne. Ngila
Ayikahloke ekhaya ukuthi ukuphi.
abazi bayafonelana ikuphi le malume wami beka taxi driver engithe mangibuya ukashawa ngeextension.
Yeah.
Hayi wena ukazi
Ya, ngibuya
wena
lapho.
bakushaya ushawa ubhuti.
Hawa ngibuya lapho.
Nge-taxi driver.
Angishaywa taxi driver but ngibuya lapho
Mina ngishawa i-taxi driver nge-extension. Qala ubuyaphi bacanga ukuthi ngibuyele laphi akulomfana.
Uflash.
Uyabona? Phezulu kwaloko uthethe nesalary usupporta lenja yakho. Ila ngirealize khona diamonds akhipha la emhlabeni. Manje nanoma bangishaya, my mind is on the painting. That okay, I like the drawing part, but this was a different moment that I just had. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Bangishaya sharp umaqeda umama mshemi softy ke ugeli yena angisula amawunzi ngathi akababizanga labantu.
Ngapho ukusula amawunzi ngapho umtshentshela imali.
We understand. She was like, I understand and what not. Bese 4 days later mabahambile ngemkhombe the letter ukuthi no, I was here. You understand? I needed help. And then that's when she was like, oh sorry, angiphi medical ngibuyele lapha. Mangibuyela lokho ama gym lokho enikwenzayo kwenu guys, ngicela nedlama painting session ngizengihambe.
Okay.
You understand? I started doing the painting, loving it. You know, now I'm doing
That place is it the inpatient. Back admit or
back at me we patient
Okay.
like usabhatala umbhede baba ubhatalela ukuthi uphuza amanzi, you understand?
yeah.
So the second time I went there with the medical, so I was admitted for like a week, and then I would do the painting every day. Ngivuka bathi no, it's a session nyangali hayi isikhathi leso kunoxoxa nani hawa besingekho. Also because ngithe mangiceda ukuthola umntwana, there were pastors that would preach about me in church. Yabona leyo nto le. So it would, I don't want to talk about it.
Sure.
You understand? Okay, cool. Ngenze lento yama painting, lento yama painting. Mangibuya ngigrand, ngiyazizwa ukuthi angigrand. La Witbank bokungakabi ne-cash and carry. Ukuthola i-Canva. I-Canva uyithola ngama 200. And we told Westpac kuphela.
Yeah.
You understand? Bengamind. Magogo ngicela i-Canva.
I wanna
Ngihlale
draw.
phansi.
I wanna draw.
I
Yeah.
wanna draw. I wanna draw. And then there was a night. Angisakhumbuli. Okay, so I love reading books and then I like painting. You understand? Bengicela ukufunda incwadi. Ngangena ku Instagram. So these girls did the picnic thing that they did. And I was like, "Ay man, if this thing can heal me and this ones feel like it's just me doing it, then I believe that I can actually transform this into giving people an opportunity to come and speak without saying whatever that is bothering them."
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Kusebusuku lapho. Fonele enye intombazana manje uhlala eAmerica ngale nani igama lakhe uTracy. She was Tracy Cooking if ngamazi umuntu njalo. Imfonele ebusuku asibangani mara randomly I just call her. Hey girl phela ngine idea. What is it? I want to do something like this. Like yo, I want to Witbank 12 custom.
Eish.
Mfana.
Yeah.
Atbuza mina. But ukuthola i-custom e-Witbank, it's not it. Bona ukuthi hayi okay. Ngathi ngidiscourage.
Yeah.
Ekseni mangivuka ngilanda usisi wami. Entombi phela nginento so ngicabangayo. My lawyer yazi uyini. If you think about it, do it and fail and try again and fail. If you fail twice, for the third time, innovate it and do it again. You don't leave it. You are doing it.
Try until you succeed.
Try until you succeed. And then okay, ngiyenze. Now I'm trying to get where I can get the stuff. Zithe azikho Witbank. Witbank 300 lezinto. Ejozi 10 rand.
I'm a confident.
You understand? Ibrush ilihamba kuma 200 nalo. Ejozi 10 rand. Nomikiswa yini ejozi?
14,000.
Mamela. And then sengiyamtshela ngedayazini. The only thing that will make me to do it is me putting a date and the price, and let's see how it goes. So ekhaya sinama guest house, if amagugulethu yawazi, yabo? Sharp ngibacele ngithi no can
Yawazi amagugulethu.
Yeah, kusekhaya ke lapho uzolala khona. And
No, we've
chip
slept
in.
there. Out here, I'm going to
Guy wani?
angeke ngilale guest house nginendle Witbank. Ngiyadlala. Yenza sip and paint will come and sleep akusho.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah.
And then Shapu, I did a post. Biyangutshela isigaxa. Le poster le ngiye ku Instagram story. Ngasibhalela mina ukuthi sorry sizoyidopa manje. Sip and paint 350 unlimited wine in.
Unlimited wine.
Unlimited wine.
Yes.
And then I Sharp. First customers baba 4.
The first customers that you had, mawuqala sip and paint.
Yeah, let me tell you the customers. My younger sister,
Wow.
a friend of mine called Uslindo. And then there was a guy, ngirong by 5, and 2 ladies. Ne, those were the first customers. Nami ngahlala phansi ngapenda umsangano that day. Angisho manje sayino wine. Ila ngibona khona ukuthi yabona ma forecast uzoyidweba lento. Amaza ngathi.
Zinyana.
Kuba dizi konke. Ubona nepende liyalena lena. Yonke into dizi. But the outcome of what they said was what pushed me to do it more. You understand? Lamantombazana, there was a girl who was like, "Yo Ntombi, I had a miscarriage. And after kwenza le sip and paint, it wasn't about the wine, because the wine need that every day. But after this, I'm actually a bit relieved that it is not my fault. It was supposed to happen like that. The bingo. Meaning whether unewine, whether yiko. Meaning yasebenza lento. Then I started teaching myself graphically, taking pictures, doing that. And then after that one, I had a breakthrough of having about 20 customers. This is like 3 years back. My figure labia, we groove shem. Amusha ngishona amatafula nezitulo.
I mean, uza nesilwane into abangayazi.
You understand? But we groove like nalokusuku umuye ngani ufuna ukuchecka lo ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani nalo ufuna, like it was this intimate but also exploring but also the groove but everything in one. Yabo? Hayi mabahamba, hayi sesiphinda enye. Hawu ngitshela yini? Ngiphinde enye. Hayi sengiba nama customer. Here's the thing. And then there was a time where business is business. When I'm a customer too. Nini nabeko. Nini bakhona. And then this year, last year, I was working with Telphone. I went there, I presented my...
Telphone Rhino Rich one.
Yeah, the Bankenfell Rhino Rich one. And then I presented my work, and then the lady was like, hey, we're pleased to say...
I actually wanted to ask you, how did it start to be corporate?
How did I start? Tweet! The business is not even registered.
Uyisenze lento aqeda ukuyisho.
It's not registered. I think when you pray about something, when you believe in something, when you know what's the purpose of it, because the purpose is not even about money. The purpose is about reaching the next person to deliver what could be the topic about her. So for her to leave it here and leave it here. Because most people, when they come, you meet a stranger. Fana nokuthi namhlanje now. Ngitshela lesigaca ngiyahamba. Everything is relieved. Angiyokubona asibuye endaweni e1. Uzongihleba uthini? Yohle kunomunye usisi singakhi la. You understand? So with it being like that, yathi mangithathwa itelephone. A lot of people started seeing they now we want to be there. Firstly, you must understand, but in business, location matters.
Sure.
You understand? So that's why I went specifically there. I was like, there's no place. Man. I wanted to be diverse, like, I'm in a place, but I'm not in a place, but I'm still, there's whites, there's black, there's this, there's that, so that we are one in everything. Because if you look at my profile, white people have been there. And also the people of our color have been there.
When you're doing an event and then a white person comes, it means you are somebody.
No, like in blind.
No, blind.
Mamela, you didn't put a name on it.
I'm going to go to Penny Mac, by the way. Yeah.
So white people would come like yonke. And then I started being called by other restaurants. You understand? And then lama restaurant Mangbiza. Yazi enye into engifunde ngaloku ne. With starting it. Like I was saying before we started the podcast, ukuthi, when I was applying for jobs, and getting rejections. Nangesip and paint, the rejections that you tell a person who owns a business, by yenze.
That's an idea.
Ne? Kunomunye engengimpromote. Mara ngathi uwile but angazi futhi sekhona.
Uyakuhamba ngamadolo.
Akasekho man kusaface.
Okay.
Usuke ngase mall weza ngapha ngase fruit and veg. Ayisekho le ndawo ngathi yabona inamakhala nje.
Yayibona lapha ekhoneni.
Yeah, yayibona.
Yayibona.
A20 idea boy.
Yeah.
Wangithumela message brothers. Wathi this is not your idea. It's not something that you innovatively started. Anybody can do
before,
it.
Yes.
And then I answered him, then what's your purpose?
Yes.
Because it needs a purpose.
You can't just do
it. Uti une coffee shop. What's the purpose of the coffee shop? You understand?
Do people come in there to drink coffee, read books, or what?
Beza baba nama-customer, I think I-20 and whatnot. You get the memo? Mabaqeda ukuba nama-customer. The very same customers that he's calling, they are now calling me to say, my sister, we want to attend yours. Why would Jiva? Tina lapha siyapenda, sineglass A1, siyahamba. Why is just having unlimited wine? Ngapha there's a snack platter. Ngapha there's music. Ngapha there's this experience. Ngapha nibaning niyajiva. You understand? Kanti, a small circle can bring the bigger one.
I'm not sure what they don't know is yours goes deeper.
You understand? Mine is a deeper daddy.
Yes.
You get the memo. Inobumalawi phakathi.
Yeah.
You know? Mara so shower yazi uNkulunkulu siyaxolisa Shem is not that deep.
Yeah. No, why ngisho so? It's therapeutic. I mean, judging from where you're coming from. Yeah.
You know? And yes, man. Then I did it there. Nayo itelefoni yangizela nomhlolo. After 2 years of working with them. This year nge-Women's Month. Lapho bengidla imali baba.
Oh, madoda. Nathi ngokudweba nokushaya isipho.
Futhi angeke ngithi bengidla imali. Like I was happy that what I want is happening.
Oh yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ngaba nama-customer 80.
80. 80. Yeah.
Bangixosha. Bathi kimi, it is very no, if you phone the phone. But it is very wrong of me to have 80 customers.
I-capacity yabo kanti ifelela kubona.
I think bakuyi-20.
Oh.
I think.
So wena ushaye ordinary. Yes.
Ngathi mangihamba kwasho ukuhamba nama-waiter. But say the business phela ayisekho. Ngaqoshola abantu abethi ekazi ngiyagowa ngiyafokofa because when the good things start.
Athatha ukubuze la. Okay, sesizobabuza. Sesimane nje sesikhulu. Le party yangaphandle beyikhona before wena or bayakhe ngaphandle. Where
let me tell you about that part. So that part was just the floor and the tree.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
When I came with, I can even show you the screenshot. I told her that we have a potential of getting people because of doing something like this. This part, if it's wooden, we are far. She was like, okay, fine. I gave her the ideas. This is this and this and this is that. You understand? Waqala futhi. Oh, mara siyatelelwa belungazi. Lo mama wangihayarisisa ama globe, globe leli lincane leli lema. Lo lasendila kudala yalibona.
Yeah.
Bangenzisa lama globe bathi hayi mele ngibhadale 15.
Ubhadale ini?
15K. You understand? I think she was trying to test whether there's money in this or not.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
Ngayibhadala ngaqala ukuthi permanent baba bekuyi rent. Lama globe la. Ila ngirealize khona ukuthi abona mangathi nginemali ngiyenza ama business. Nganidla nonke ibank. Into stupid iyenza imali. You understand? Bayenza lama globe la we line yana walibona leli ungaliyenza. By the way ngenze i-electricity na ngayishiya emgwaqweni.
Yes.
So makayenzile inhliziyo yasho ukuthi mara you understand ukuthi le uconnecta into sona so bese iyayehla lapha bese uyifaka kwesithi isikolo siyaqala. You know?
Yeah.
Fine. Sibe nayo, I didn't even want to say much. You know when you're in business and you're umlungu, you don't want to say much.
Yeah.
And then what's also so painful is, and mara I want to bring out a shout out. Ku innocently Tlaka. The one was saying Velumit. That guy, he's very handful into bringing people from nothing to something. I remember ukuthi lo mama zangi believing a business ukuthi this is business. He called me wathi ngizoyenzele Velumit.
Oh yeah.
You understand? And then we did a Velumit. Yangabi nama customer. Wathatha ifamily yomnikazi weVelumit wazobathlalisa lapha nama waitress nana wathi uyanizopenda.